In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in your Docusign documents, 5 minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clickable link inside your Docusign envelopes that takes signers directly to a web page, perfect for directing people to a policy, a help article, or a payment portal. First, sign into your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the admin area. This is where we'll create a reusable custom field so you can drop a hyperlink into any document without rebuilding it every time. In admin, open document custom fields, then choose add document field. We're going to create a special text field that Docusign treats like a link. In the name box, type a name that starts with named href/. And that prefix is important. Docusign uses it to recognize that this is a hyperlink field. After the prefix, add something meaningful so you can recognize it later. Next, set the field type to text field. In the default value or text entry area, type the exact words you want signers to click. For example, view terms or open help center. This is the on-screen label they'll see. To control how signers interact with it, check both required and read only. Required ensures the field is included, and read only prevents editing, so the link text stays consistent. Now enter the actual URL in the tooltip field. This is where the destination lives. Be sure to paste the full address, including https://. If your link uses tracking parameters or anchors, include those as well. A quick tip: test the URL in a browser first to confirm it loads and doesn't redirect somewhere unexpected. Click Save Changes to store your custom hyperlink field. When you're preparing a document to send, open the Custom Fields panel. You'll see the new field you created. Drag and drop it onto the page where you want the link to appear. Place it near relevant instructions so signers understand what they're clicking. If your envelope has multiple recipients, make sure the field is assigned to the correct signer so the right person sees it. Before sending, use the preview to click the field and confirm the link opens correctly, typically in a new tab or window depending on the signer's browser. When recipients review the document, clicking that text will take them straight to the URL you specified. That's it. You've created a reusable hyperlink field in Docusign, ready to drop into any workflow for faster, clearer signer experiences.